I'm not sure if this is intentional or if there's a problem here, but something fishy here. Look at this. View detailed results. Then I will see that the National Assembly with the national ballot selected, you can see that the results are now showing. Right, I'm just going to close this. You can see that it's not showing everything. Then I'm going to change and check out the province. Look at this. Eastern Cape is showing. Right, the province. But what's funny is on this angle, it's not even showing the voter turnout. So I don't know if it's a disconnect between the data showing here and the one on this side. Not sure. Let's check another province. Then you check Free State. It is showing. But here it's still not showing anything. But on this side we have it. Let's check another province. Gauteng, region, 0. But the map is populated. You see something fishy. Then let's check KwaZulu-Natal. Even the map is not showing. Nothing is showing. MK was leading here. Check Mpumalanga region. Nothing is showing. Check the Northern Cape region. Nothing is showing. Check Limpopo region. Wherever ANC was winning, it was showing. But on this side, it's still not showing. Then check the Northwest region. This one shows the voting districts. But the turnout is not showing. And on here, it's showing. Because ANC is leading, check the Western Cape region. It's showing here. And the map is showing. And the results are showing. DA is leading. So wherever the MK was leading, it's no longer showing. Let's go to national, then you can see the result here. Everything is here, so I'm not sure. Not sure. Not sure.